Are Volvo XC90 wheel spacers safe?
Quality Volvo wheel spacers are exactly safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle's original hub. The vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by clamping force, a trick by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each vehicle hub and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any wheel spacers installed. Installed Volvo half-century wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, Volvo half-century wheel spacers are designed with a half-century ring in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the wheel bolt can hold it first against the mounting plate. This Volvo wheel spacer allows the wheel to support the XC90 weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing the minimum change of vibration. High-quality Volvo XC90 wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide a longer service life. Selecting the best wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. Being a high-end Volvo wheel spacer company, it is sure that the designs are exquisite and geared toward improving performance and aesthetics. The main advantage of the BONOSS Volvo wheel spacers is the lightweight plus and the FT cooling. The benefits of the lightweight plus design are that the hollow design is further optimized based on traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can reduce weight and energy consumption and improve handling while ensuring safety and reliability. BONOSS forged FT cooling Volvo wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as accelerators which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS forged FT cooling wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives driver peace of mind. So the high-quality Volvo XC90 wheel spacers are safe as long as we install them correctly.
If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers for your car, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.